Still mowing a tiny lawn every week and wasting water for a patch that never looks lush? Discover low maintenance lawn alternatives that stay green with half the effort. Why traditional lawns are a hassle? Traditional lawns look beautiful in photos, but in real life they can be a headache: constant mowing, heavy watering, fertilizers, and still patchy or yellow grass. For small yards, that effort often isn't worth it. The good news, there are smarter, greener, and cheaper alternatives that need much less work and still look amazing. Here are the 3 best, easiest alternatives. Let's dive into each one and see which works for your small yard. Clover lawns, especially micro or white clover, stay green longer with minimal mowing and watering. They're soft, pet-friendly, and enrich the soil naturally, making them a low-maintenance, eco-friendly alternative to grass. How to start a clover lawn in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Remove the worst grass and weeds or cut them very short, then loosen the top layer of soil a bit. Step 2. Scatter clover seed evenly and rake lightly so the seed touches soil. Step 3. Keep it slightly moist while it germinates. Water lightly a few times a day for the first 2 to 3 weeks. After that, water needs drop dramatically. Step 4. Once established, enjoy it. You'll only need to mow 2 to 3 times a year, if at all. Clover lawns are perfect if you still want a green carpet but don't want a full-time job maintaining it. The second idea is to replace grass with low-growing ground covers, plants that spread to make a living carpet. These include creeping thyme, certain sedums, or other hardy ground covers that stay short, need very little mowing, and often handle heat and poor soil better than grass. Many are even flowering, so you get color and the bonus of pollinators like bees and butterflies. Ground covers are perfect for tiny side yards, strips along a path, or areas where the mower never fits properly. The third low-maintenance idea isn't a lawn at all, a native plant or wildflower patch. Instead of one uniform grass, you plant a mix of hardy local plants and flowers that are adapted to your climate, so they need less watering, less fertilizer, and less pest control. You usually mow or cut back just once or twice a year, not every week. You create a mini habitat for birds, butterflies, and beneficial insects. Visually, it looks like a small natural garden, which works very well in modern eco-friendly landscapes. This works best in corners or one dedicated zone of your small yard area that still looks intentional. The fourth option is to skip plants altogether in part of the yard and create a hardscape living space. Think gravel courtyard, stepping stone path, or a small deck with pots and raised planters. This is one of the lowest maintenance options for very small yards. Gravel or stone with a weed barrier underneath means almost no mowing and only occasional weeding. Mulch beds under trees or along fences keep soil moist and reduce weed growth, so you water and weed much less. You can add pots, planters, or a bench to make it a usable sitting area instead of a patchy grass strip. This approach is great if your small yard is mainly for sitting, entertaining, or kids' play, not for running a lawn mower. Not every option suits every person, so here's a quick way to choose what's right for your small yard. If you still want a soft, green lawn feel with less work, go for a clover lawn. If you like flowers and fragrance and don't mind a more natural look, try ground covers or a wildflower patch. If you mainly want seating, a path, or a kids' play corner, create a gravel, stone, or mulch area with pots instead of grass. Whichever you choose, you'll cut your mowing, watering, and chemical use dramatically compared to a traditional small grass lawn. If this gave you ideas for your own yard, tell in the comments which option you'd try first: clover lawn, ground cover carpet, wildflower corner, or gravel coat. Subscribe to Gharpedia for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.